Hi, I'm Dr. Scott McLeod, and I wanted to come to you today to deliver a very important message. So please take a moment to listen to this entire clip. Now, normally I don't talk about politics in a public setting like this, and I don't want to start now. My expertise is in healthcare and topics which affect our health. However, there is a topic which is necessary to speak about because it is about our health, past, present, and future, even though it does have a political component. You see, we doctors of chiropractic, medical doctors, doctors of osteopathy, and really all healthcare practitioners across this country are urging you to seize this historic opportunity to confront America's chronic disease crisis by contacting your senators in the United States Senate and urge them to confirm Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as Secretary of Health and Human Services. Let me tell you why. This moment in time presents a historic opportunity to confront the escalating chronic disease crisis plaguing our nation today. The implications of inaction are dire. Chronic diseases now jeopardize the very fabric of our society. You see, in the early 1980s, fewer than 13% of children in the United States experienced chronic conditions. Alarmingly, that number has surged to nearly 60% today. Also, it's particularly concerning that 77% of young adults today are currently ineligible for military service due to various health issues. And how about this staggering statistic? Chronic disease and mental health ailments now account for a staggering 90% of our nation's $4.3 trillion healthcare spending. The collective voice of all of us physicians across the country calls for effective action, and we firmly believe that Mr. Kennedy embodies the vision, the integrity, and the leadership that we so desperately need to navigate this critical juncture in public health. His steadfast commitment to scientific transparency and his intention to address the root causes of health conditions make him uniquely qualified and suited to lead the vital work of the HHS. Mr. Kennedy's nomination, it's not just about appointing a leader, it represents a transformative chance to revitalize our nation's health and to restore public trust in our health institutions. He promises to guide federal health agencies back to an evidence-based approach that will foster the kind of accountability required at every governance level, like the FDA and the CDC and so on. His pragmatic policy priorities, which include eradicating harmful substances from our food, from our water, and from our medicines, address the urgent need for action against the chronic disease epidemic we face today. So as our nation stands at this significant crossroad, we have seen that traditional measures have not succeeded in reversing the decline in our health and our health outcomes. Confirming Mr. Kennedy will empower a leader willing to face the challenges boldly and deliver the systemic reforms our public health system so urgently requires. In the poignant words of Mr. Kennedy himself,
ultimately, the only thing that will save our country and our children is if we choose to love our kids more than we hate each other.
Yeah. We urge you to prioritize the health and well-being of our children, of our families, and our nation by telling your U.S. Senator to confirm Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as the next Secretary of Health and Human Services, and to give him a chance to make America healthy again. Thank you.